This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Veronica Hemphill bedroom BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01233025. Sweet home in a lovely location. Off the beaten path yet close to Sonora town. Peaceful setting. Great open, easy flow floor plan. 2-car garage. Master bedroom is spacious with master bath. Second bedroom is nice and big. Hallway bath has good storage. Convenient separate room for the washer and dryer. Spacious private sitting deck in back. Easy to manage yards that are colorful, quiet and full of birds. Nice parking areas. Occupied. Shown by appointment. For more information, review the details below or contact Veronica Hemphill bedroom BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01233025 at 209-532-7400.